everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Cassie. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like these kinds of videos and you want to see more, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. In today's video, I have a synthetic wig review for you guys, and I haven't done one yet on my channel. If you want to see the wig and hear my thoughts and opinions, go ahead and keep watching. So here is the wig right out of the box. I haven't done anything to it, and you guys, I think the color is stunning. I love the highlights, the face framing highlights. I love the really pretty rich brown, and I like that there's highlights all throughout this wig. I did purchase this off of Samsbeauty.com, and the company is Studio Cuts, and she is in the style Ritzy, and the color is Hot Chocolate. So this wig is not a lace front wig, however you do get 5 inches of parting space right here, and here is what the cap construction looks like. So you have 2 combs here in the front. You also have a comb down here in the back along with the adjustable straps. I do like the way the wig is styled right out of the box. I like the big bouncy curls, and I feel like the more you brush through it, you're going to get like these effortless waves, which is something that I like. I like that style. So this wig is made out of heat resistant fiber, so you can curl it and it is safe up to 360 degrees, which I like. So that way if the curls tend to drop a little bit, you can run a curling iron through it or a wand. I think this is super pretty, and I'm going to go ahead and try it on and show you guys what it looks like. I just did something with this wig, okay? So I went ahead and ran my paddle brush through it a couple times just to see if I was going to get any shedding, and I'm not. I think maybe one hair has come out, and like that's it. I think this wig is gorgeous. So for having put this wig on straight out of the box, I'm absolutely loving it. I am obsessed with the color. I think they did a really nice job with that. It looks like it was professionally colored in a salon. I do like the texture of the wig. It's not silky. It is definitely a yucky texture, so it doesn't have a lot of shine, which I like. It has a nice natural luster to it, so it doesn't look too, you know, obvious. I do also love how flat this is sitting on my head. My hair is not braided, and I didn't do anything to it to make it lay down this flat. This is just straight out of the box. Like, what? If you're somebody who likes baby hair, this wig does not come with any right out of the box. You can either create your own, or you can just pull your own baby hair through the cap and then do it like that. I'm not too big on the whole baby hair thing. I just don't think it looks the best on me. But if you want to do that and make it look a little bit more natural, you definitely could. Although I do think that this wig is so full and that there's so much body that unless you're trying to pull it behind your ears, I think you could get away with not doing any baby hairs. The only thing that I would do to this wig is tweeze some more hairs out of the parting space here just to make it look a bit more natural. But honestly, for 30 bucks, I think that this wig is absolutely gorgeous. So the cap size on this wig is 22.5, and it fits me really good here on the hairline, but from like the temple area down, we're missing a good like ½ inch. But I have a pretty large noggin, so if you have a smaller or normal size head, I don't even know what that is, then this would fit you really well. So as I mentioned earlier, I got mine in the color Hot Chocolate. It does also come in your standard 1, 1B, 2, as well as a golden brown option. And on the website, the golden brown looks a little bit darker than this right here that I have. So if you're somebody who doesn't want too light of a brown or almost like blonde, because this is pretty bright, you could definitely go for the golden brown option. I think that would be gorgeous. I did want to mention that I love how the highlights go all throughout this wig. Like they're on the bottom, and there's like slight thin highlights in the back. I just love that because typically with synthetic wigs, like mid cap back, you just get one solid color. But this one, they really did that. They really did that for 30 bucks. Like you can't beat that with a stick. It does come to like my mid back, and I am 6 feet tall, so it is a little bit on the longer side, maybe about 22, 24 inches. And if I bring it all forward, it hits me about like boob length. I don't think it's too long that you're going to get a ton of tangling like you do with some synthetic wigs when they're a little bit too long. And I can tell you guys right now that I've been running my fingers through it and living my best life, and I haven't gotten any tangles yet. Alright guys, that is it for this review. If you like this wig and you want to check it out, I will leave a link to it down in the description box below. If I forgot to mention anything, you have a question, go ahead and leave it for me down in the comment section. And yeah, if you want to see more wig reviews from me in the future, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.